Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make two styles of colorful spring earrings. So let's get started. To make these earrings, first I'm going to make the round hoop. I have some 20 gauge wire and I'm going to wrap it around a marker. You can use anything. If you'd like a larger hoop, use something larger. And I'm going to allow some for making a loop on each end, and I'm going to cut that off like that. Now I'm going to make a loop on this end, and if you bring your wire right up against the lip, all your loops will be the same size. So I've made that loop. Now I'm going to come to the other side and bring the wire right up against that lip and form a loop. So this is what it will look like. And now you'll be able to line those up just like that. To make your own jump rings, I just have a ballpoint pen and my wire, and I'm going to wrap it around several times and cut that off. I'm just going to trim that little piece off because I don't need that. Now I'm going to bring this end of the wire right up against the pliers and cut, and then I'll have a nice jump ring. So I can just reshape that. Like that. Now I'm going to open my ring, and always open them sideways, and I'm going to place my jump ring through those two hoops and then close it up. And now to do all these little tassel things, I'm going to cut some lengths of yarn, all the same length, and to attach the yarn to the hoop, you're going to fold it in half, pass the loop through, and then pull the two ends through the loop, and then just tighten it up. Then when you have all the yarn on, you trim around for them all to be the same length. So that's how you make this style. To make this beaded style, start out with a circle in the same manner, but only make a loop on one end. I cut 5 sections of wire the same length, and I measured by placing them together like that and then cutting them. Then I make a loop on one end like that. Place a silver bead on the bottom. I bought an envelope of beads and all these different colors in, and I've already put on yellow, green, white, and blue. And now I'm going to put red on this one. So I have my little silver bead. I'm going to put 5 red beads and 1 black bead. Make my loop. Place a silver bead on as a spacer and place my dangle. And 1 last silver bead. So I have a silver bead, a wire dangle, a silver bead, a wire dangle, silver, wire dangle, silver, wire dangle, silver, wire dangle, and my last silver bead. Form a loop on the other end, add a jump ring, like that. Now you can add an ear wire. You can use purchased ear wires, or you can follow my video on how to make your own ear wires, and I'll put the link below this video. And that's how you make this style. There you go. There are 2 easy spring earrings that you can make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.